Guys, I'm going to show you how to make some easy sugar cookies. Crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. You have to try this sugar cookie, guys. You will love it. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to my Filipino cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make sugar cookies. Here are the ingredients for my sugar cookies. All-purpose flour, brown sugar, butter, and golden syrup. My secret ingredient for my sugar cookies is the golden syrup. It really makes the difference. Now let's start making my sugar cookies. In a mixing bowl, place the butter. Then add the brown sugar. Then add the golden syrup. Okay. Then mix it up. Okay, guys. Smells so good. First thing we have to do before we add the flour is to sift the flour. Okay, guys. There you are. Now we can mix everything. Okay, guys. There we go. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Now at this point, we can start kneading. Okay. I'm gonna use my hands. My hands is clean. Make sure you wash your hands before you touch your food, guys. Okay. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Okay. At this point, it's sticking to my hand, so it's not ready. So we're going to add a little bit of flour. Sprinkle a bit of flour. There we go. Bit more. Okay, guys, you can just add flour until it's no longer sticking to your hands. Okay. Keep kneading. Now you can shape it into a bowl, okay, guys? Until you reach to this consistency. Now our dough is ready, okay? On a clean dry board, sprinkle the flour, okay, guys? Then we can pour our dough, okay, guys? And knead a little bit, okay? And at this point, guys, you can start shaping your dough into a disc. Just pick a little bit, flatten it up, like that. And that's ready, guys, okay? And place it on a baking paper, okay, guys? And just repeat the process, okay? Just like that, just repeat the process, okay? Shape it into a bowl first, and then flatten it into a disc, okay? There we go. And I'm going to show you another way of doing it, guys, okay? So, this dough, we can flatten it in with rolling pin. Roll it into 1/4 inch, okay? Alright. If you stick it to your rolling pin, just add a little bit of flour on top, okay? That's it. Right. And here I have a nice cutter, guys. A nice cookie cutter. So I'm going to use a star and a heart to cut my cookie dough, okay? Here we go. See that, guys? Nice star. Next, I'm going to do a heart. See, guys? Okay? And just repeat the process, okay? And we can re-roll the dough, okay? Go. And then continue shaping the dough, okay? Here we go. I love doing this with my children, guys, and you can have a lot of fun. Here we go. And just repeat the process, okay? Until you finish shaping the whole dough. Okay, go. And here we go, guys. This is all what I made, okay? And we place this on a baking paper, okay? Here we go. Now the oven is preheated to 165 degrees Celsius. We can place our sugar cookie dough into the oven. And we have to bake it for 15 to 17 minutes. After 17 minutes, our sugar cookie is now ready. We have to remove it from the oven. Wow, lovely and golden brown. Just allow your sugar cookie to cool down before eating. Here we go, guys. My sugar cookies are now ready to enjoy. Let's taste it. Crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. You have to try this sugar cookie, guys. You will love it. These sugar cookies are perfect with tea or coffee. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make sugar cookies. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. God bless. Paalam!